morning. Our first card is justice. There has been dissatisfaction with life, but we must fight for justice and equality. Rulings made in our favor. Don't give up. Keep your balance in your life. You will receive a gift. It will be in a form of advice from a friend, and it will be truthful and blunt. But you have got what it takes to succeed. So trust your friends and family. They know what they're talking about. There has been unsuccessful plans in the past, but a sincere wish is going to be granted. Money will be coming to you. The card here is peace, and it says release the past. There is more enriching future coming. Let go and let God. That is the most beautiful card in the pack for me anyway. You feel something is lacking in your life, and Archangel Michael says that you must go out into nature, have fun with your family and friends, and don't let bumps in the road hinder your progress. Um, you do feel like someone or something is still working against you, is stopping you from moving forward, but you're highly thought of in the heavens. Stay in aligned with the abundant universe. They've got lots of gifts and blessings they want to give you. um you Where you were feeling tired down and frustrated, these changes coming into your life, and Archangel Gabriel says there will be prosperity arising from wise planning. um the spirit also want us to know that we must never stop asking our angels for help, assistance, or guidance in all areas of our lives. Stay open to receive their help. You've prayed for help, and now be open to receive. Stay united with your loved ones. You spiritually connected to everyone through God. Use your sacred bond to heal your family, friends, and yourself. That's a lovely message. Have a lovely day. God bless you.